In this video, I'm going to show you what the public checkout process looks like to your clients and customers. So what we need to do in this video is do two things. We need to set up a product and a payment method, and then we'll be able to go through that checkout process so that you get a good idea of how that works from your customer's perspective. So let's go ahead and navigate over to products by clicking on products over here on the left-hand side. I'm then going to create a new product, and we covered this previously in our products playlist. So if you haven't checked that out, please do. And I'm going to give this a price and it's published. I'm going to hit save. All right, so our product is created. Now we need to go and create a payment method. So to do that, I'm going to set up over here, and then I'm going to add a new payment method that immediately takes me to my e-commerce section and my payment methods. So let's add a payment method, and I'm just going to call this one cash. It is a manual payment, so there won't be any options available for it. And I'm going to say that it is enabled, and I do want to choose all of my currencies. And then I'm going to hit save. So now that my payment method and my product are set up, I need to add a product catalog to my website so I can show you what the checkout process is going to look like. So I'm going to come here to my website by clicking on View Website on the top left-hand side. I'm going to add a template, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the bakery template over here, and I'm going to apply that to my page. I just think it's a cute template, so it makes me happy. All right, then I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to add a new block over here. And I'm going to delete one of these columns. And I know I'm moving quickly through this, but please check out our playlist on the page designer if you're feeling a bit lost with what I'm doing here. All right, I'm going to go ahead and find my product catalog and add that to my page. And there's my product in my product catalog on my homepage. So now I can go ahead and publish this page. And now I should be able to go through the checkout process as a customer. So what I'm going to do is open this page in an incognito window and view the live version of my page. So I'm going to navigate over here. I'm just going to refresh this page, and then you'll see I've got my new design that's been applied to my page. I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to come here to my product, and I want to buy this product now. I could see the details and view this product a little more closely, but I want to buy this product now. That's then going to bring me to my checkout module, and I'll be able to put in the details of a new client. So let's stick with Betty. And yeah, we're going to do Betty White. That's not white. I can't type. Then we're just going to put her in whatever country is first. Add some gobbledygook information. I'm going to leave the company information alone. And then I'm going to hit place order. So then she'll be taken to the invoice page and her order will have been placed. From here, she can go ahead and download her invoice. So that is what the checkout process looks like from your customer's perspective. And if you navigate back to the admin area and I come back out of our page builder and I come here to orders, you'll see that I have that invoice that's been created in the system for the order that Betty just placed. So that is the basic rundown of how the public checkout works within the system. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to create custom invoices and custom orders. I'll see you there.